Ka Sashwati Mudoi ke badai ke state level coordinator Mikraya jong ka oil marketing company ka laong baka jela Mikraya kam don kana gunu gijing ke do petrol diesel batendong el shed da ka bakentu ki pajba bakim dai ban koslai dan ni ban long kap Ndai haba kali halo ka jing bumyo LPG cylinder sa kathain Pynursla kalaong baka daw ka day na ka jing Khanglat ka bor Mariang na ka jing tua ka sulap. Ka Mudoi kalaong ba hakatayo ba adab ban menhin kasngi lapha laispa apsau tli tam ki LPG cylinder sa Pynursla handai haban weng no nama bumlai kali. Kalaong ba ka company ka penkrek ban lek bu khat nyau Spartan ka LPG cylinder sia Pynursla handai nama baka truk ka ban yai na jawai ka dai tang nyau spa metric ton ka bu jing e company nama baka hab ban sim jing bit chua na ka soka baka kelain ka kam bat ka ne ka awan ra ka jing e company ban Pynpoi LPG cylinder sia Pynursla ha bakran sikilap tai bol ha ka ap kunai tari ya yong aja pun riu ka Mudoi ka ong ba kipat ba kim dai ban ngai jadi khubo lam le nama hadu menta ka megraya ka biang nanong syadong ya kini kijin don kam nadu ki petrol ki diesel barkis LPG cylinder
like last week and including yesterday, we had already issued 324 numbers of cylinders. We have one gas agency there, Rivarmingi gas agency at Dauki. But due to the recent landslides, yesterday also, now we have no other option than to cancel the invoices. So that's what we have been like. We are actually giving it, but the truck is coming and now it is light link or it is getting halted because it is not able to go further. So now we have to, that's what we were discussing with our field officer, that we have to go for a other alternative, but the other alternative comes through that goes to Joai. But there only the capacity of a laden truck is 7 metric ton and our laden truck weight is around 17 metric ton. So then again we have to take the clearance from state government, NHAI, everything. So that's why, sir, it is getting delayed. It is because of the natural calamities on which we have no control.